Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Trust the politicians of Goa. And here, as all of you can see, when it comes to trust, the percentage that you guys were expecting will go against the government has gone against the political class. तुमको दिसताले की around 70% लोक सरकाराच्या विरुद्ध वतले, but there is still 72% people are saying they do not trust the politicians of Goa. Interestingly, 28 people still feel that they trust the politicians.
But Pramod, again, let's not misinterpret this. The people do not trust the politicians across the board.
Yes.
It's got nothing to do with the people do not trust the ruling politicians. So let's just get these two things very clear.
Correct.
So it is not necessarily against the government. So that's one. Second thing that we need to look at is, this is a very important thing for some people who want to look at political careers, that people do not trust the existing dispensation of political clan, which simply means that if they are able to offer a solution or a viable option to the existing politicians, there are people who are willing to take it.
See, finally, we cannot say that we don't trust politicians. Politicians are political administrators. They are your policy makers. Your fate, whether good or bad, is dependent on them. Finally, the electorate elects them. So when you say that I don't trust, so that this particular trust deficit would be everywhere in the world.
You look at the Goan MLAs, each one or almost every other fellow is elected and re-elected and re-elected. Now, if these 72% are dishonest, why do you re-elect them? You are responsible, man. The electorate is responsible for getting dishonest politicians, for getting politicians with whom you are unsatisfied. So I would therefore say that unless the voter himself becomes honest, the politician will always be dishonest.
तीन गजाली, BJP still at 48%, AAP at 26%, Indian National Congress at 19%.
That 48% people believe that BJP is still honest. I think they must have probably interpreted the question as it's a party that is honest to politics. Data seems to be a pretty good one and very interesting one at that. So I think Aam Aadmi Party has got a tremendous amount of scope and a good amount of opportunity to make inroads here and make full use of the situation.
I had said that the BJP has a strong cadre, and the fact that they have got 45% reflects their cadre. The same percentage almost is reflected here.
Yes.
And the second I had said is
that is quite consistent in all the statistics.
See, the cadre is there, and the cadre backs the party no matter what. And the second part, I had said that 72% don't believe in the honesty of the politician. I had said that this is because of the dishonesty of the voter. And this confirms my thing. It is only a dishonest voter who will believe, to the extent of almost 50%, that the BJP is an honest party.